conversations in the car. I always get asked, what are the conversations in the car, Drew, to and from games, to and from training? I only have a simple message, and it's the whole thing that props sweat and courage up. And it's the book I wrote on performance, vulnerability. So it starts with us, not with them. We want to break through, talk about yourself, talk about the feelings you have, talk about the feelings you had and still have. It might be driving to meetings sometimes. It might be high pressure situations you find yourself in. Are you up for it every day? Is there days you can't be bothered? Does the pressure tell on you? Do you carry burdens? Do you want things too much? So I think identification is the king, and empathy means in pathos, in feelings. So if we want to have empathy for their situation and create a connect, then it begins with us connecting with ourselves. Authenticity, vulnerability.